Okay, welcome to Unit 5. I've already introduced a few vocabulary words to you, but I want to go over the most important one that we're going to be talking about this unit. We're talking about systems of equations. So, a system of equations is a set of two or more equations with the same variables. Today, we're going to be working on writing systems of equations using two variables. All right, so the steps we're going to follow in this systems of equations, the writing piece of it, is first we're going to read our problem. We're going to identify our variables and label them. The variables are going to be our unknowns. We're going to then reread the problem and write out two equations that describe the relationship, and then we'll double check our answer. Does it make sense when we read it? So, example number 1. Mr. Frankel bought 8 tickets to a puppet show and spent $30. He bought a combination of child tickets for $3 each and adult tickets for $5 each. Which system of equations will determine the number of adult tickets, A, and the number of child tickets, C, that he bought? So we've read our equation and we're trying to figure out what are our unknowns. So we want to know how many child, how many adult. Okay, and we know that adult tickets is going to be represented by the variable A, child tickets by the variable C. So the first thing I'm going to ask myself is, okay, go back to my problem. What was the first relationship or first piece of information they gave me? It says that he bought 8 tickets. So my first equation is going to be that it's going to describe that relationship. So 8 tickets total. He bought a combination of adult plus child. So if he bought 5 adult, 3 child, it has to equal 8. Okay, so adult tickets plus child tickets, 8 tickets total. Okay, the second relationship that we have to define and write an equation for is that he spent $30. So how much was an adult ticket? Well, we know the adult ticket was $5 each. So $5 for every adult ticket, so 5A, plus $3 for each child ticket, 3C, and that total was $30. Okay, so this would be our system of equations. We have our first equation that tells us the total number of tickets, adult plus child, equals the total, 8 tickets. And then we have $5 for every adult, $3 for every child ticket. The total cost of those tickets was $30. So for this first lesson, all you are working on is writing out the system of equations. All right, example 2. Ms. Recton purchased 12 boxes containing a total of 70 golf balls. That's going to be important. Okay, total balls, 70, 12 boxes. Okay. She bought a combination of small boxes, each containing 3 golf balls, and large boxes, which contained 20 golf balls. Write a system of equations that will determine the number of small boxes, S, and large boxes, L, that she bought. Okay, so let's go back to our large, oops, you cannot see that, can you? Large boxes is going to be L. Small boxes is going to be S. So how many total boxes did she buy? Miss Recton purchased 12 boxes. So large plus small, 12 total boxes. All right. So in those 12 boxes, there was a total of 70 golf balls. How did she make up that 70? Well, for every large box, there was 20 golf balls. So 20L, just to be an L, plus 3 for every small box. So there's our system of equations. That's a L. Hopefully you're kind of getting the hang of this. We've got 3 more practice problems. All right. Sam visits the cookie store and spends a total of $6.40. Raisin cookies sell for 30 cents each, and chocolate chips sell for 25 cents each. He buys 3 more raisin cookies than chocolate chip. Write a system that represents the situation if C is chocolate chip and R is raisin. Okay, so first we're going to write out the first relationship. So he spends a total of $6.40. How do we know how much things cost? Well, it was 30 cents for a raisin cookie. So 0.30, that's 30 cents for a raisin, plus 25 cents, so a quarter for chocolate chips, C. And that's going to equal $6.40. All right, and then the second one, this one's going to be a little bit different. So we know that if he buys 3 more raisin cookies than chocolate chip. Okay, so whatever he buys, it's going to be plus 3R because he's going to buy 3 more raisin cookies than chocolate chip. So let's say he buys 1 chocolate chip cookie. Okay, then he would have 4 raisin cookies. Does that make sense? So he's buying 3 more of the raisin than the chocolate chip. Okay, so what we need to now do, our task is going to be, how do we write that as a linear equation? So what we're going to do is, we know our variables. R is for raisin, C is for chocolate chip. So let's go ahead. One second. And it's freezing up on me. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so if he buys 1 raisin cookie, it's going to be the same as chocolate chip plus 3. So chocolate chip plus 3 equals the total number of raisin cookies. All right, let's read this one. Sally buys 12 tickets to the Fun Time Circus for a total of $58. So 12 tickets total money is $58. If each adult ticket costs $6 and a child ticket costs $2.50, write a system of equations that represents the situation. A is going to be the number of adult tickets. C is the number of child tickets. Okay, so we know that adult plus child tickets total, she bought 12 tickets. We know that adult tickets were $6. So 6C plus 250. Oh, wait, sorry, 6A. Sorry about that. Sorry. $6 per adult plus $2.50 per child, and she spent a total of $58. All right, and last one. Jason went to the hamburger shack twice last week. On the first trip, he bought 3 hamburgers and 4 orders of French fries for $7.10. On the second trip, he only bought 2 hamburgers and 1 order of French fries for $3.40. Write a system of equations that represents this situation if H is the cost of each hamburger and F is the cost of French fries. Okay, so let's talk about his first trip. First trip, he had 3 hamburgers plus 4 French fries and spent $7.10. The second trip, he had 2 hamburgers plus 1 French fry, so plus F for $3.40. And that's it. That's your system of equations.